What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're working on the main alone. I'm gonna be showing y'all what we're doing right now. So I got another amp. This is for the door speakers. And what I was gonna do is fix up my wiring on the speaker. So I know I got this, how I told y'all, I got it through right there from the fender. You can't really see it, but it's in there. So I tried to fit it through that, but that didn't work. So my goal is to try to drill 2 holes right here and have them come to the firewall like I originally wanted. So that's the plan. So it's gonna come out through under here. So that's my plan. That's what I want to do. I need to figure out where it is. I don't want to drill into something that's important, so I'm gonna try to figure it out. So let's get to it. All right, everybody, we got an update on the truck, and here it is. Here it is. I got both of them on. Made myself 2 holes right there. This was on it, then it popped off when I was pushing through. And quick advice. So that spot right there, the bottom one, where the bottom one's at, that's a good spot. But the one on top, with this hanging out, don't do it there. Try to go lower, because this took forever. The top one took forever because it kept going up instead of going down. Like when you push it in, it kept going up instead of going down. But finally managed to grab it, made it go down. So now we're both in. So if you're gonna try that, you know, go down. That bottom spot right there, that's a good spot. You can probably have it to the side right next to it. So just letting y'all know. And it's coming through here. Went up through up there. I'm gonna put it all hidden. And I don't know if I ever showed y'all, but lamp is mounted. I got the other amp. The other amp's back here. Right there. This is for the door speakers. Hopefully that's enough wire. That's 50-foot wire for the door speakers. And then I also got those tweeters. They might not do much, but it's something. It was only $5. I need to spend 150 to get the discount, which was like $50 off. But this was like 145 and it wasn't enough. So like, all right, let me get that for $5. So yeah, time to wire. All this is done. I got the hard part out of the way. The ground's gonna be easy because I'm gonna just ground it on that one like that. So that's gonna be easy. Now it's time to do the RCAs and the wiring on all the doors. So let's get to it. All right, everybody. We got this mounted. I don't know if I don't think I showed y'all. Maybe I did. Got the RCAs all running. Got the remote cable powered up. Just did that because I tried to go through one end, but I think the wire is just too skinny, so it kept slipping out. So I got all three wires, just crept them together. Turns on, everything works. I only got one speaker in because I don't have enough speaker wire. Because I tried to get this on its own. Like this have its own wire and then that has its own wire coming through. But I was like, I wanted to get the other side. This is leftover speaker wire. I need it for that side. So I want to get at least the front 2. I don't think this was working the way I had it set up in here, like connected, both of them connected on here. So I'm gonna have to retry that. But it's later on. I pretty much I need to get more wires. Because I need to finish the back. And the back also has new tweeters. I'm probably looking at, and you probably need 100 feet. Because all I got was 50. I still need to connect those. So I need to get more speaker wire. The back shouldn't be too hard. I feel like it should be easy. Just go through here. I'll probably take less to go there, and same with that side. But it needs to go from up here to go down. And tweeters have something. These tweeters were here for a long time, but they don't work no more. There's one over there. But we're gonna remove these and get the DS18s. But I did a test run. It turns on. That turns on, so it's good. I still need to tune it, and I still need to get that door think I'm gonna finish up that door today, and then I'll get speaker wire maybe tomorrow, because today's Sunday and they're closed. So no, wait, Tuesday. They're closed on Monday as well. So Tuesday is when I'll get more speaker wire and finish the job the next weekend. That is the plan. I'm gonna clean this all up. Everything's gonna get cleaned up. This is just temporary look. So let's finish this up. All right, guys, little update on the vlog. So I got 2 speakers in. There's the 2 front ones. They're done with the tweeters. I got the tweeters to work. I guess that one, which is a weak connection, that one came out good. I guess I did a better connection on that one. So I redid that one. We're on the back now. I'm gonna start with this panel first. I feel like the back might be a little bit more difficult because I gotta take up the whole panel, but we will see. Then I gotta add the tweeter right here. I want them right here. Same on the other side. We got the tweeters back there, and it should be nice and safe. I still need to shorten all those red cables. I want them shorter. This one's hanging on for dear life, but has enough slack where it's not like fully yanked. I don't want that much tension on it. So that is the plan. It's all nice up there in the front now. Let me tell y'all a secret. This is gonna be your best friend. Like a gancho or a hanger, a full-on metal one. Full-on metal. Trust. Cause I had a hard time trying to get it through here. So I had the gancho come in through here, through the hole, come out, came out through here, yanked it, pulled, got the cable, boom, ran it. That's gonna be your best friend. Trust. Oh, and then if you can't really see, you can put your phone like right here where it's out, and you can see in there. You can see everything in there. Have a flash on, like you know, take a video or whatever, and you can see everything in there. Have the wire come out like through this side, not through this side or top or bottom, to this side. It'll be easier. Trust. But yeah, that's gonna be your best friend. So we're gonna get to it on the back. Let's get it. All right, guys, update. Well, truck's back in the garage, but all the door speakers are connected. One problem though. Hold on. I like my doors. So the tweeters I was talking about, they're up here. Okay, so I ran out of wire. And I tried to do like connect them, but I couldn't do that. So I ran out of wire. So tomorrow, for sure, I'm gonna get extra wire. And those tweeters are gonna have their own wire going all the way to the amp. I'm gonna have any extra to have the tweeters from the door, from these 2 doors to the amp. So, but they work, so that's all I care about. I just want the ones up top to work. So that's my plan for tomorrow. All the junk's right here. I mean, I could use those wires, but I already have new wire, and I bet you those aren't even, I bet those ain't even freaking OFC, you know, the good wire. So it's a mess, but clean it up. So yeah, that's tomorrow's plan, and everything should be done. Everything is working. I need to get some big pliers to cut the power cables and make them shorter. I don't want them that long, but that is the plan. So see y'all tomorrow. All right, everybody, it is all done. I haven't cut that. I bought the pliers, but I already showered, and I want to get more sweaty. Tweeters are in. All right, one right there, one's over there. They work. Everything works. I need to get it retuned. And then once that's done, I can put my seat back. And then boom, nothing, you won't see nothing. I need to call this. I got the pliers. I bought the pliers. I literally just bought them. And then I'm going to have them zip tied here so you can look nice and straight. I might move these wires more up too so they can look more nice. But yeah, I got the extra wire I needed to put those tweeters in. But we're done. This is pretty much the end of the vlog. I still got to throw all that away. You know, all the leftover trash. So if you want any tweeters, let me know. They don't work. They're free. Let me know down in the comments. So yeah. So pretty much this is the end of this video. Look at that. It does look kind of messy, but I feel like it should be fine. There's way people who do better setups than this. But this is just for me. So we chilling. And that's about it. So let me close with the vlog. All right, guys. So yeah, it's the end of the vlog. Everything's done. Everything works. Everything's perfect. So we chilling. We chilling. The truck's chilling. Next, I don't know what I'm gonna do to the truck, but we'll figure it out on next episode, on whenever I do the truck again. So yeah, it's been your boy, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.